Hi, and welcome back to Extratainment and News with TP Bafetu. Guys, I did say on my previous video that the allegations made by Musa Khawula against both DJ Zinhle and Melobongs are very, very serious allegations. And I doubted for a fact that the couple would let the whole thing slide without ever responding to it. And guess what? They both responded. And they both responded in a way that only the two of them can only respond. Because both of them are artists, they responded in an artistic manner. Here's what they done. They both posted a video, similar video, on different social media platforms. They posted a video, AI generated video, which shows a picture of Musa Khawula generated into a video. And the song that plays in the background is all about apology. Therefore, now this suggests that Musa Khawula is apologizing to them. However, art can be an abstract. Is what you see sometimes is not really what you get. So you need to dive deep into detail. Since Musa Khawula mentioned that Melobongs cheated on DJ Zinhle and DJ Zinhle in return cheated on Melobongs, so does then this suggest that because they both posted the caption that says apology accepted, similar song, similar everything, does it mean that Melobongs apologized for cheating and DJ Zinhle apologized for cheating, if whatever it is that Musa Khawula is suggesting is to be true? Does it mean both couples apologize to each other and therefore they both accepted each other's apology because they both done the same thing? However, there's another side to this. Some social media users, they're suggesting that this couple is forcing an apology out of Musa Khawula. However, it remains to be seen. It's still a mystery. We'll all see as the whole thing unfolds. I did say maybe at the end of the day, we'll see Musa Khawula apologizing if ever whatever it is that he said or was alleging is not true. However, this is not a real apology from Musa Khawula, and both the couple, they said apology accepted. I don't know if ever maybe it's one thing that says we forgive you because you don't know what you're doing. So guys, stay tuned to Extratainment and News with TP as I give you current affairs and news on entertainment.